So for the back wall, I decided to use this paper. This one. Oh, I love this side too. Amazing. That's what it's really hard when you use double-sided pages. And if you want, you can distress the edges. You can ink them and just make it nice and distressed. And now we are sticking this page on the back like so. Doesn't it look cute? So this back piece measures 5.5 by 6.25. So we'll stick it inside. For these two sides, I have these two pieces in black color, black cardstock, and what I did, I just scored at 1/4 inch both of these, and I have measurements for these pieces, which is 3.25 by 6 1/8, and we scored at 1/4 inches, and then the other piece is 3 and 5.25 and score at 1/4 inch. So I will show you. My idea is we don't want these lights directly on our eye, so we just need to hide them, but still we can get some light on our this main area. So this piece will go like this, I mean like this, and then this will go like this, and I will turn on the light and you will see what I mean. So the background, this side will get hidden, but we have this light effect right there and on sides too. And for this part we are going to use this strip right there, and for top part I have this beautiful lace from my dear friend Neri. I have her link below in the description box. She sells really good laces and doilies and all. You should visit her store. She has Zibet store. She always posts on Facebook and Instagram too. So these laces are from her. It's a gift to me, so I'm using this lace right there. So we will finish this one, and then we will take care of the other side. So here is the finished walls. I just wanted to show you. I covered it with lace, the top part, and bottom I have used some brown colored paper, and there are a couple of lights, so I made a hole right there, but they will be hidden later on once we put those 3D images here. So this is the side wall. So let me show you. Once it lights up, they looks like this one. So you can see we just made this thing hidden underneath like that. So this is what we created. So I hope you liked it, what we did so far. So I got this chipboard piece out of these stickers. Since this sticker, the back side is sticky, and I need to make it standing image. So what I did, I just got a strip of paper. I folded it in half, so we'll get double strip, and then I traced this image and I cut this out, and I kept this part like to fold. So this part will be our base, so this image will stand like that. You got it what I mean? So I shaped and cut it inside, and now I am sticking this like like this. We can cut the excess part so it will not show, like this back side. It is my, so mostly this image will look like this. Okay, and then it will stand properly. So I'll show you how it will see on our project. So here I decorated this project so far like this, and I have used one of the piano from the chipboard. I just stick in the corner, you can see, and violin is here and this trumpet is on the back. So I didn't stick it like a flat on the wall, I just give some dimension, and I have used same technique like this. I have used some of the scrap pieces behind these instruments, and they look like this, and I have decorated the side with the floral bouquet. And this is also one of the chipboard sticker right there, and I have used one of the image from the collectibles and stick it right here. So it's time to decorate other parts, and we are decorating this thing, and we will create our small mini album. And I'm thinking using one of the bricks stencil here and here, or maybe one of the door here, because we have very cute doors in our collectibles. So I am thinking I will use one of these doors on each side, and let's see what we can do. So this is our project so far. I also used one of the wreath sticker on the top right here just to create that stage ceiling look, and here is our project. So I hope you all will like it after finishing everything. So I'm decorating this album, this mini album which I have included in this kit. So this is very simple album, and I am using all the papers and creating clips and pockets. I don't think you need any tutorial on this small album. You can do as per you want. So I'll be back with finished album, both of them, the tag one and this one, and my next video will be full finished project reveal. So I'll be back, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.